let's do a full face of makeup and just relax. We're starting off with the Danessa Myricks Water Powder Serum. Now, I've used this before, but I think I used it wrong the first time. So, this time, we're gonna do it right. So you squeeze. And this is supposed to leave your makeup super matte. I'm gonna let that dry. Now, this is not new. I've used this before, but I want to be really, really matte. So I'm only gonna take a little bit of the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm, and I'm just going to add it to the places I'm normally super, super oily, and I'm just doing a little right here. I'm usually oily here, above my lip, and on my forehead. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealers. This is in the shade 14 and 13, so I'm doing 14 first. And then I'm gonna go in with 13 to brighten it up. I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is in the shade 5W. And we're gonna blend it out. Okay, so my initial thoughts are this is definitely too, I think, warm for me. I have a little bit of a cooler skin tone, but it's okay. We'll make it work. Now let's blend out our concealer. Okay, now we're going in with shade 13. And like I said, we're just going to brighten it up right here. While that dries down, I'm going to use the Milk Sculpting Stick. And now we're gonna blend this out. Oh, I forgot to add concealer right here. Okay, now we're gonna blend out the rest of our concealer. Okay. Now I'm going to take, this is the Kimchi She Puff Puff Pass Pink Rose. And I'm just gonna add it there first. And now I'm gonna take my Danessa Myricks blush. This is in the color Golden Hour. And I'm just gonna lightly tap it and then go right on top of my cheek. Okay, now I'm gonna take my powder again by Kimchi She Beauty and going right underneath. And then I'm gonna take my blush again and just go over it. That is so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. Now I'm gonna take my bronzer. So this actually isn't new, but it's my favorite bronzer ever. This is the YSL All Hours Hyper Bronze. So I have two of the YSL. They just sent me these. These are the All Hours Hyper Luminize highlighters. So I'm gonna see what they look like before we decide what we're gonna pick. I love YSL's packaging. I just think like it's so chic and pretty. Love that. It's like iridescent. Okay. Ooh, these are so pretty. These are the shades. They don't have names. Oh, okay, so this is shade 3, and then this one is shade 2. So 3, 2, 2, 3. I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Oh my gosh. I love that. And I'm someone who never really wears like, oh, that is so pretty. I don't ever really wear highlighter, but yeah. That's tea, that's tea, that's tea. Okay, now let's take the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. I actually think I've used this before, but I can't remember. Okay, this palette is called Master the Neutrals, and they're all matte. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. Maybe I want to just do bronze, actually. Like on the outer corner. Kind of like right here. Maybe to match my shirt. I want the bottom to be kind of light because I feel like whenever I do a lighter shade under my eye, I don't know, it just like looks really pretty. I don't know if it like makes my like face brighter. I mean, it should because it's like light eyeshadow, but I feel like it just makes my eyes pop. I'm gonna need a mirror for this. Yeah, that's so cute. Now we're going to curl our eyelashes. So I actually use two different curlers. This one is the Shishido curler, and then this one is the e.l.f. curler. So I feel like the Shishido one lifts the eyelash, but then the e.l.f. one really like curls it and gives it that really like pretty curl. So we're gonna curl our lashes. So I try to get right underneath the lash line as close as possible. Okay, so you see how my eyelash is like straight? So they're lifted, but they're like up. They don't have a curl. They're just like straight. I'm gonna show you what I mean when I say I want them curled. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this one, go underneath, and just start curling up. Okay, so now you see it's like curled. I wish you could see like a side angle, but I'll do this side and I'll show you the difference. Okay. Do you see the difference? Like these ones are just like curled back almost, and these ones are curled, but they're curled up, if that makes sense. So that's why I use two different eyelash curlers. And I think it's because like the rubber part on this is a little thicker and my eyelashes are really, really long. So it just like almost like hugs them. Okay, now I'm taking the Prada mascara. This is the Prada Scope mascara in the shade 1. Okay, this is the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Plumping Liner. Okay, now I'm taking the NARS lipstick, and this is in the shade Indecent. This is actually one of my favorite shades, and this is not a new lipstick, but this is what it looks like. Okay, and then I have this new lip gloss actually. This is by Beauty, and this is in the shade Latte. Oh, it's so good, and it's so creamy. Oh, it's so good. Final step is we're gonna use the One Size mattifying waterproof setting spray. This also isn't new, but like I was going for a matte look, so I want everything to be like matte. Ooh, here is the final look. Okay, well, now I feel really cute. And I feel like I have to like go do something or go somewhere because my face looks so good. Let me know in the comments if you liked this and if I should do more. Thanks for watching my video, girl. And I'll see you in the next one. Be brave, be nice, be fierce, and